Okay, so now that we have the engine running, it's time to maintenance the SternDrive. To do this, I picked up this ProStar gear oil, and basically I'm going to push that in there, and after a few uses we're going to drain it out. We're just trying to get this unit cleaned out because it's been sitting up for years. I have a pump to pump the fluid in, new gaskets for the plugs, and a screwdriver to take the plugs out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all stay tuned through this intro and we'll get right back into this. Okay, so when you're draining your oil, you have a plug right here and a plug down here at the bottom. So this is basically a breather point. Let's see if anything comes out when I take this out. No. And let's take out the bottom plug. Make sure you have a good pan to catch this oil in. I'm using just a gray oil catch pan. Once you have all the oil drained, the oil looks pretty nasty, you want to connect your kit into your pump kit into this plug right here. After you have that good and tight, go ahead and untwist your little rubber hose so you can pump oil into the unit. Then you take and open your oil, and you punch through and insert your pump. Then you can start pumping away. Make sure if there's an old seal in the unit, pop that out. It's best not to reuse seals. Of course, there's plenty that reuse them with no problem. I've been known to reuse seals on things as well, so this is your preference. You just don't want water to encroach on your SternDrive. If you have a reservoir inside the boat, it won't come out this top screw. If you don't have a reservoir in the engine compartment, it will. You'll see on this reservoir it slightly started to fill up. We're going to have to get some more oil before we take this out. We have emptied our oil. We're going to put this on with the new gasket in place, good and tight. Your bottom plug has a magnet on it. Make sure you clean all the excess metal off that plug. It's to catch any metal pieces as your gears wear. You have to put it back into the SternDrive. To do that, you have to unscrew this. Make sure your oil pan's in place. And put this back in place without losing all your fluids. It's a challenge. And I should be wearing gloves, but that's what soap's for. Makes your tools last longer too. Now that the plug with the new seal is in place, you are ready to go out on the lake or ocean or river or wherever you like to boat. So hopefully this was helpful as you work on your SternDrive. And if you're interested in more boat videos we've done, see a link above or a link down below for the blog and the playlist for all the things we've done to this boat. If you are looking for great recipes, good eats, check out diningwithdanielle.com. Great recipes released weekly. If you like our channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there, looks like this. And y'all please take care.